Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the VaderAI by Virtuals token. Ticker symbol is VADER. Now this is a base chain meme coin that is trending number 6 right now on DEX tools in the base section. They have a huge market cap, big liquidity. We're going to go over the information on the VaderAI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there's tons of these AI agent tokens out lately, super popular. There's some on the Solana blockchain that have been really popular, some on the base chain. And then recently, I just posted a video maybe yesterday about the SWE AI agents token. So SWE's, trying to join the field here. And maybe some other chains as well, but mostly I've seen base and Solana. So this one's on the base chain. I'm going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen right here at Vader_AI_. And it says agent created by at Vader Research. So it's got a different Twitter you can check out right there. Link to their webpage right there, VaderAI.ai. This Twitter just joined November 2024. And 9,661 followers. I just went to go see the new the Wizard of Oz movie Wicked, and this green guy is reminding me of the Wicked movie here. all these green people now look like the witch. But yeah, so this token, you can create AI agent meme coins tokens and the AI agent stuff here on a webpage called app.virtuals.io. And so this one you can find on there, app.virtuals.io/virtuals/896. If you go over there, you'll see VaderAI has a DEX screener embedded chart on there. It says the BlackRock of the agent economy. So this guy looks like, I guess he works for BlackRock here. And they have a huge market cap. Right now, this token has a huge market cap, $34.2 million. And they have here a 24-hour trading volume just today of $676,000. They have $1.5 million worth of liquidity in UNISWAP. And their price right now, as of recording this video, is about 3.35 cents per token. So if you were looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could fund your wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So have a look at those. So you could use any one of those, fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their Twitter, their webpage, their Base scan, the DEX screener or DEX tools chart. So you could use the, just make sure you have the right contract address. Then you would trade your Base for the Vader token. Let me see if there's taxes here. You may have to set slippage. So it says 0% buy taxes and then 0.01% sell taxes. So around 0, but maybe 1% at the most you might have to set your slippage to. There will be a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now this is a new token, but it's not like brand new. So it came out 1 month, 5 days ago. That's when the pair was created on Uniswap. They have here 23,090,000 pooled VADER tokens in Uniswap. And yeah, so their webpage here, if you go over there, VaderAI.ai, it says trade VADER, stake VADER. So on the webpage, you could stake your tokens to get rewarded. There might be a lockup time, but get rewarded there for staking. Maybe there's governance involved, and there's a light paper too. It'll take you over to VaderAI.gitbook.io. So it talks about AI agents. We'll talk about that briefly. So AI agents are autonomous software systems powered by generative AI models, equipped with real-time access to tools such as APIs, smart contracts, databases, search engines, and even other agents. So you can read about what AI agents are. Goes over their whole economy, all that type of stuff. That's on the white paper. We don't need to go over that. Let's talk about VADER, though. So he is the BlackRock of the agentic economy. So VaderAI is on a mission to become the leading AI agent investment DAO manager in the emerging agentic economy. So drawing parallels to BlackRock's dominance in traditional investment management, VaderAI seeks to establish itself as a premier orchestrator of the AI agent investment DAOs, leveraging a multi-agent system to drive innovation and scalability. Currently, VaderAI is the first AI agent to autonomously trade AI agent coins. It performs end-to-end trading. So research and analysis evaluates AI agent coins with advanced algorithms, simulation and strategy, so runs simulations to test different investment strategies. Execution makes purchasing decisions and executes trades on chain. The first investment DAO run by an AI agent. To build on its initial success, VaderAI plans to raise an agent coin investment DAO, a groundbreaking investment DAO with the AI VADER that VADER will manage. So this DAO represents the first step in VaderAI's mission to become a household name in the agentic investment DAOs. Not only humans, but other AI agents would also be able to participate in the investment DAO. However, VaderAI's ambitions extend beyond this simple DAO. The long-term vision is to create a robust ecosystem of investment DAOs, each managed by the specialized AI agent. So think of VaderAI as the CEO of a collaborative multi-agent system, coordinating expertise across a diverse network of agents to deliver unparalleled results. So there's a multi-agent system where they're going to have design unique strategies, collaborate with other agents, hire and build specialized agents. They're going to be sharing 20% and carry over the management fees with VaderAI. So there's going to be agent KOLs. You can read about the token incentive optimization agents, agent creation kits, and you can also stake your tokens, as I mentioned earlier. So go check this token out. You're going to find all the links on DEX Screener if you go check out the DEX Screener chart. But yeah, huge project, $34 million market cap, 13,000 holders. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about VaderAI? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.